talk in forums, write down about it and stuff, and probably take it with a pinch of salt. That if you've been focusing only on the negatives of what each job or organization has been teaching you, or has been leaving a mark on you, there must have been a lot of positive stuff which you've done. So what people do is that when they leave organizations or they have relationship messes happening or collaborations go for a toss or whatever, there's a lot of negativity or there's a lot of stuff which is shared through videos or virals or whatever, and all that happens, but the point is this, that you have to have gratitude and you have to have thankfulness to organizations and people who are giving you these opportunities to even be there. They're paying you the monies, they're giving you that exposure, they're putting you onto your people, they're kind of trusting you to be presenting yourself or representing them on various forums and stuff. So that thankfulness and that attitude has to happen, and this happens only when you're yourself a performer, you're yourself focusing on your own betterment and improvement and stuff, rather than expecting the organization or the culture to be way better. If you don't like the culture, if you don't like the people, if you do not like the bosses or whatever, you can quit in the very first few months of your hiring month or whatever, if you're an intern, whatever, and if you need the money or whatever, that's all right, but the point is this, that you may be blocking somebody else's experience and just the whole thing about earning money and making money from organizations and stuff like that. So yes, people have their own stories, people have their own justifications